Okay, I came out here and this snake is out here, has got my bird, and I am not happy about it. This thing has my bird in his mouth. You can see he's eating my bird. I gotta get my bird back. So I got my chickens in their coop, as you guys can see, but come here, baby. They're not gonna get you. There's a big old snake over there, and he's got my bird. I don't know what to do here. I'm gonna have to get something to try to get this bird. He's got my bird. I don't know what kind of snake that is, but I'm gonna have to cut him in half. He's chomping down on my bird. I guess there ain't too much I can do now. He's gonna kill my bird. Give me my bird back. I'm just gonna have to cut his head off. He's not getting away. Kind of hard. This thing. All right, I'm setting this. You guys are saying I probably shouldn't kill this snake, but there's nothing I can do. Get my bird back. Give me my bird back. My bird's probably dead now. Give me my bird back. I gotta set the camera down so you guys can see what's going on here. They gave me my bird back. So I'm fighting this snake. I got my bird back, but it looks like my bird's dead. So I'm pretty upset. I didn't kill the snake. I haven't killed the snake, and I really don't want to kill him. But, good Lord, he just killed one of my birds. There's my baby right there. I couldn't save him in time. I came over here and this snake was trying to eat my bird. There's one of my birds is coming up missing. I got you, Mr. Snake. I tell you what, for all you people that are watching, he just killed my bird. I don't know what to do. I'm so mad. I'm so mad at you, Mr. Snake, for killing my bird. There's my bird right there. I wasn't able to get him out of his mouth in time. You know, I was struggling to get this sucker. I don't know what to do. I could take this thing and cut him in half in 2 seconds. You know? But I'm scared that if I don't kill him... I'm scared if I don't kill him... You know? That he's not getting away. I'm scared if I don't kill him that he'll come back and kill my snakes. I mean, kill my chickens. Well, guys, I don't know what to do. He's not coming back to kill any more chickens, I tell you that. I'm gonna have to kill him. I'm killing him. He's not gonna kill any more of my chickens. I'll tell you that right now. I'm pretty upset. So I got him.